Cash App's Buy Now Pay Later (BNPL) feature, powered by Afterpay, lets eligible U.S. users split online purchases into 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks, pay in 4, or monthly payments, with 0 to 35.999% APR. It's available at 100,000-plus partner merchants, for example Walmart, Target. Approval uses a soft credit check, no score impact. Minimum purchase, $1, limits up to $2,000 based on eligibility. Late fees up to $8 apply. Note, the in-app pay over time at checkout was discontinued. Use the integrated Afterpay option. Set up Cash App. Download the app, iOS or Android. Sign up with email or phone, link a debit card and verify identity, SSN for full access. Enable Afterpay. Open Cash App. Tap Money tab. Borrow or search Afterpay. If eligible, opt in. Get instant approval. 18 plus, good payment history. Shop at partners. Browse partner sites like Walmart.com. Add items to cart. Minimum $1. Select Afterpay at checkout. Choose Afterpay as payment. Log in with Cash App credentials. Review plan. For example, $100 order, $25 now, $25 bi-weekly. Complete purchase. Confirm. Afterpay pays the merchant up front. First installment deducts immediately. Manage payments. Track in Cash App under Afterpay or Payments. Pay early via app to avoid fees. Set reminders. Tips. Check eligibility in-app. Build limits with on-time payments. For returns, process via merchant. Afterpay adjusts. Contact support via app chat 24/7. Use for essentials to avoid debt.